Dwigel. My cousin Hayden was a Marine, and he has some pictures of him.
Hi, this is my dad, and he was in the military.
I'm Matthew Shortledge, and I was in the United States Air Force.
How many years were you in the Air Force?
I was in 6 years and 7 months. I spent one tour in Afghanistan and spent most of my time in Florida and then New Mexico.
Happy Veterans Day,
Happy
everyone.
Veterans Day.
Veterans Day.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Knapp from the Corps Classroom. My husband, Jamison Knapp, served in the Marine Corps for 5 years. Here he is. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. This is Miss Taylor, your ESL teacher. Many of you may not know, but I served for 3.5 years in the United States Navy. This picture is of myself and my dad on the very first Sunday I returned home from boot camp. I was so excited to be in the Navy. In the Navy, I received several opportunities. I served on the USS Hundley AS-31 and at Parris Island, the Marine Corps Depot. But one of my very best memories and experiences was using the GI Bill to graduate from college and become a teacher. I am so glad for that opportunity to teach you guys every day, and I thank you for remembering us on Veterans Day. Hello, everyone. Mrs. Taylor here. I'm so proud of my military family, which includes 4 uncles and 1 aunt who all served in the U.S. Army. My father, boatswain's mate first class, Willie Cooper, U.S. Navy, 20 years of service, retired. My brother, Willie Alphys Cooper, PFC, U.S. Army. My father-in-law, Mr. Darrell Clinton, who served in Vietnam. And last but not least, my husband, Gunnery Sergeant Terrence Taylor, U.S. Marine Corps, retired after 22 years. We are so proud of our military family, and we are so happy to share them with you today. Have a wonderful Veterans Day.
Hi, Mavs. This is Mrs. Malley, and I'd like to honor a special veteran in my life, and it's my dad, Marcus Parton. He spent 22 years serving in the United States Air Force, and when I was a kid, we traveled around to different Air Force bases in the United States as he served our country. And I just wanted to say a special thank you to all the veterans out there and veterans' families who sacrifice for the good of our country. Happy Veterans Day.
This is my dad, and he served in the Marine Corps for 20 years. Holy cow. And this is my brother Cody, and I'm Levi.UC, and we are 2 thankful family.
Hi Mavericks, my name is Mrs. DeGroot, and I want to introduce you to the veterans in my life. The first one is my stepson Nick. He was a corpsman in the Navy from 2010 to 2016. My other stepson Chris was an MP in the Marines from 2013 to 2016. And my last 2 veterans are my grandfathers. They both served during World War II, and they were both in the Army.
Hi Mavs, this is Mr. Weaver, your theater teacher. Today I'm going to honor my grandfather Arthur Roy Weaver. He served in the Navy in World War II from 1944 to 1945. I never did get to meet him, but I'd like to remember him for his service in our country.
Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Shortledge. This is a photograph of my mom and dad. My dad, his name is Jim McCarthy. He was in the United States Navy for 25 years. He retired as a Master Chief in the Navy. I grew up as a military dependent, and I completely understand and know all of the sacrifices that veterans and their families have to make every day. And I am just so grateful for all of the veterans that are watching this and all of the sacrifices you have made. You have a very special place in my heart, and I hope that you have a great Veterans Day. Thank you so much for everything that you do.
Mavericks, my name is Lindsay Day, and I'd just like to honor a special veteran in my life, my husband, Douglas Day. He served in the Army. He was in the infantry for 4 years. He was a specialist, and we lived in Alaska for 4 of those years. One of those years he was deployed to Iraq, and he is now serving our community as a Fort Worth police officer. I'm extremely thankful for all that he's done, and I'm extremely thankful for all of our veterans for the sacrifices that they make each and every day. Happy Veterans Day.
On Veterans Day, we honor all. Soldiers young and soldiers old, fought for freedom, brave and bold.
And all of them deserve our pride.
And all of them deserve our pride.
All of them deserve our pride. Thank you.
Proud of all the soldiers who keep thinking of red, white, and blue.
Keep thinking of red, white, and blue.
Some have lived while others died.
They fought for many days and nights.
They fought for us in all our rights. And though we may not know each name, we think all veterans just the same.
We think all veterans just the same.
We think all veterans just the same.